Hey people, it's me, Eco Chick, and I'm here in my very own neighborhood. And I was on a walk with my dog this morning, and I noticed this phenomena that caught my attention. So I'm gonna walk a little bit closer and go ahead and start looking at the ground. You might see these kind of white little flecks of stuff, and upon closer look, it's a whole bunch of little plastic shavings from my neighbor's contractor yesterday that installed a new bathtub for her. So what I'm noticing though is that all over the whole driveway, you see that kind of white snowy look. All of that is officially microplastic pollution on our ground. And right over there in the road, you'll see the gutter is what it's called. It's the stormwater, channel, the gutter on our street. And so this street has those microplastics all over the place. And also I'm noticing, and let's see if you notice what I'm noticing here on my neighbor's tire on her car. Now that plastic is actually on her car tire. So when she drives away from this place, and really anybody that drives on this road through this is going to be taking those microplastics along into our streets of Eugene unknowingly. And I'm noticing one other thing. Luckily it's not a nail, but there's a screw here. So I guess I'm just sort of wondering what you think about this, and whose responsibility is it to clean this up? Like, would it be the contractor? Is it okay for our contractors to leave microplastics everywhere? Even bigger bits of, styrofoam and such as here. So I'm just kind of wondering what you think, and what's a solution to microplastics making our way into our waterways here in Eugene. You may or may not know this, but in Eugene we have 3 water systems. One of them is our drinking water, which comes from the McKenzie River. Another is our wastewater, which is everything that gets flushed or down the drains inside of buildings. And then the third one, that's a pretty important one to know, is our stormwater system. So our stormwater here in Eugene is not filtered in any way. And so any of this kind of debris that's here is gonna make its way all the way to the Willamette River, essentially, and affect our fish and other things. So just bringing awareness to that, kids, and wondering what you think about plastic pollution. This is Eco Chick, signing out.